Welcome to part 2 of Let's Learn Calculus. Today we're going to look at the average slope and how to find the average slope between 2 points. So to begin, the average slope between 2 points is what I'm going to call MAV, M for slope, and the average, just to denote it's the average slope, is just the same thing as a slope equation, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. The first example asks us to find the average slope between the points -1, 4, and the point 2, 3. So let me just sketch up what we're looking at. What we have is a point at -1, 4, and we have another point at 2, 3. So what we're looking for when we're looking for the average slope is we are just looking for the slope of the line going through those 2 points. So let's use our average slope formula, which says that MAV is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, which is 3 minus 4 divided by 2 minus -1, which is -1 over 3. So the average slope, MAV, is equal to -1/3. So the average slope of a function. Throughout this course, it'll be much more convenient to be able to find the average slope of a function or the average rate of change of a function. So here we're going to tweak the formula just a little bit, where the average rate of change, or the average slope, is f of x2 minus f of x1 divided by x2 minus x1. So for our second example, we're going to look at f of x is x squared, and we're going to find the rate of change between x equals 2 and x equals 8. Well, here we have the same type setup, but let me just sketch what we're looking at. So now we have this function, f of x equals x squared is a parabola, and we have x equals 2 is maybe here, and x equals 8 maybe over here. So what we're looking for is the average rate of change of the line that goes through those 2 points. So how we find that is we look at MAV is equal to f of x2 minus f of x1 divided by x2 minus x1. Well, f of x2 would be 8 squared minus f of x1 would be 2 squared divided by x2, which is 8, minus x1, which is 2. So this would be 64 minus 4, which is 60, divided by 8 minus 2, which is 6. So this is equal to 10. So we have the average rate of change, MAV, is equal to 10. And that does it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, hit the like button. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and I will see you guys in the next one.